We are in Walmart and I'm using my old camera with no stand, so hopefully I don't make you guys sick walking. And we have a huge storm coming. It's our first storm of the season. And look where we are. Ooh, some of the shovels are already missing. Oh, patch. Shovels, shovels, shovels. Last year 2 of our shovels broke. So we need to get shovels. Oh, there's some missing. And then there's ice melt. There's the Roadrunner. Meet, meet. We're gonna get some ice melt. Yeah. Should we get some bird seed for the birds? No. My mom bought bird seed, so they'll be covered with her. Here's another aisle. They got more shovels. These will look more heavy duty. Look at those ones. And then they got your windshield wiper stuff, I believe. And some sleds. Oh, look at the snow tube. It's a burger. And it's Homer Simpson's donuts. And then you can make snow bricks too. That's pretty cool. And they're still selling seed garden mix, which we definitely don't need. Alright, try it out. It's too heavy. Are they all the same? See, if your shovel is too heavy, it's already hard to...
If it's already heavy, before you even put snow in the shovel, it's like...
You're gonna break your back.
Lighter shovel.
Yeah. So the Weather Channel is saying that we're gonna be getting 8 to 16 inches. And then, hi, good evening. And then, so 8 to 16 inches, and then we're gonna get like ice all over it. So if they say if you don't shovel, it's gonna all turn to concrete. So we have to get shovels. Ooh, here's some more. I'm sure you don't see this down in Florida. Rare sighting of the shovels, right? All the South people, this is what a shovel looks like. Oh, here we go. We'll get a little baby shovel. That'll be for Sophie. So Sophie's at dress rehearsal tonight.
Is she?
And Avery is home because there's no food here. Well, there's food, but not food for him to eat right here. So he's staying home. Walmart already has Valentine's stuff. Ooh, look at it. We should get this, Charlie. The kids can make it while we're snowed in. No? Oh, I need this. You can never have enough chocolate. Charlie likes the stuffed animals. Hawk!
This is like a big giant version of the one I had when I was a kid that my
That's
grandma
cute.
gave
That is
me.
a cute one. Okay. Alright. No, you're gonna make people sick. Look at, they got the flamingo. The flamingo. Just like if you were in Florida. Flamingo. I don't know what these things are. Alright, we found a ruler. It's 18 inches. So, we are supposed to get 6 to 18 inches. So I am going to set this up in the back porch. And, no, I feel like you're going to hit me. Stop it. Ouch, that hurts. It's metal. So I'm going to set it up on the porch like in a glass jar or something. And then we're going to measure it every couple hours. So I don't know if you realize we're going to get up every 2 hours. And go outside and measure it.
You're gonna get up every 2 hours?
No, this is your challenge. And it's trying to figure out how to turn my camera on. It's Friday. I'm very tired.
Old age.
So we picked up what? Ice melt, a ruler. We gotta get water because of the big storm. We might get snowed in and lose powder.
Out of water. That's why we need water.
Well, we need yeah, that's true, but we also need it for the storm too. I think we need some chips too. What do you think? Do we need chips? Subsistence? Question. Is that supposed to be like that? What is it? Insulation? Pick out the water! We don't have all day. I'm gonna torment you. Will you get the water already? It's just water. 10 hours later, he picked out water.
Too much.
Alright, so another thing that we need to get is bread. You always need to buy bread when you got a storm coming. So here is like English muffins and like raisin cinnamon. Are you ready? Here's the bread aisle. It's pretty much picked over. They do have some. They have like the potato bread and Italian bread. And of course, all the wheat bread and whole grain breads left. People care about bread. They do. Leave comments below if you care about bread. Don't be a bread hater.
It's the most exciting vlog in the entire world.
It is. It is. Prepping for a snowstorm, people. You can't get any more exciting than that. For the exciting video, we're standing in line. This is the best part of the video.
It's the line ride.
It's the line ride. Look at the line for Walmart. That's
What is that, on South Park?
yeah, express line. And then all those people are lines for everybody else, for all the other lines. We apologize that our line ride got shortcutted, but we had a gentleman that, I'm saying he had a fit, but it wasn't a true fit. He started saying that he did not consent to our videoing, and we did not get permission from him to video. So we're curious of any of the other vloggers out there. Have you experienced that? And do you just turn the camera off, or do you have words? So,
We're in a public place.
yeah, we're in a public place. We're in Walmart, so I think it's fair game. But I don't think I need to get
We weren't
permission.
on him for more than just...
I panned across. So I'm not too sure what the problem was, but I told him he was okay, and I put the video camera down. So hopefully that made him feel better. Avery.
Hi.
No, other side. Get over here.
Hi.
Hi. Alright, so we just got home from Walmart, and the other things, well, here's what I'm going to do. So here's my glass jar. I'm going to put my 18-inch ruler in it, and I'm going to sit it out on the back porch and see how much snow we get. The other thing we need is flashlights for when the power goes out, and candles, and whatever batteries you can find. So I got to get more batteries that fit into these things. So that is our stash. And then the other thing we have is you got to always make sure you have hot chocolate and chocolate chip cookies to make, as long as the power doesn't go out. So after you're shoveling, that's what we eat. I always try to make cookies after. So I have a question. So you fellow vloggers, so this was the first time that we had someone that was upset that we were videoing and we happened to pan by them and they got caught in our video. We didn't stop on them. It was just like he was in line and I panned the line. So I'm curious if people have said things to you and when you were vlogging, and how did you respond? Did you just ignore them and keep videoing? Did you have words? Did you say that I don't need your consent because you're just someone and that happens to be in the background? Or you apologize? How have you handled that in the past? Basically, I had my back towards him, so I was painting straight, so you guys' back was towards him. And he started saying words, and that's why I was kind of stumbling, because I could hear him behind me, and I was trying to listen as I was trying to talk to you guys. So let me know your thoughts on how you handle that in the past, and we were wondering if there is like a vlogging etiquette where that you're supposed to handle it a certain way. With us being new, and this is our first time, we didn't know how to handle it, and I don't know, it made me feel very uncomfortable. Like, I instantly got on the defense, but I didn't react that way, but I wanted to. So that was our getting ready for the big storm video. I hope you enjoy it. I'm going to make Charlie get up every 2 hours.
Yeah.
I was waiting for the comment. You hear him? Yeah, right. So we're going to try to video the storm as it comes. We could take you out shoveling if you would like. And then we're going to do the snow tracker. I don't know what you want to call it. But as of right now, 8 to 18 inches or 8 to 16 inches. We
2 feet.
Oh, Charlie says that now they're saying 2 feet. Or potential 2 feet. I did see a model that said 18 to 24 inches. So maybe I should have got a bigger ruler. Alright, Charlie says it'll be good. I have another ruler if I have to measure on top. I will do that. It's a cheapo one, but it'll be good enough. We already got a parking ban going on from starting 4 o'clock tomorrow night. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Charlie thinks I should go out and do bikini snow angels. And that we'll get a whole bunch of subscribers for that. But I don't think so. I'm old. No one wants to see that. Another way you know that there's a huge storm coming is we live like on a cul-de-sac and they've already pre-treated our street. So for the city to come out and pre-treat a dead-end street, you know there's a lot of snow coming. So we're going to buckle down tomorrow, lots of shoveling, and we will try to, do footage of the storm as it comes. So I hope you have a good night. Bye!